morning friends. So I just woke up and today I will share my morning skincare routine with you all. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So if you want to know what all I do, then keep on watching. So first of all, I am taking a clean and clear foaming face wash and wash my face with it and pat dry it with a clean towel. Next, I am taking Good Vibes Strawberry Reviving Scrub and apply it all over my face and gently massage it. This scrub works well and remove all your dead skin and tanning nicely. So always use scrub twice in a week, not more than that. Again, I will wash my face and pat dry with a clean towel. Next, I am applying Patanjali Neem Aloe Vera Face Pack. I apply it with the help of a brush all over my face nicely and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's dried, so I wash it with normal water. Again, I will pat dry it with a clean towel. Now next, I am using Banjara Rose Water as a toner and with the help of cotton pad, I will apply it all over my face nicely. Next, I am using Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream Moisturizer and apply it all over my face and massage it gently to moisturize my skin. Now I am taking Lotus Safe Sun Sunblock Cream and apply it all over my face and massage it gently. Always apply the sunblock cream 15-20 minutes before sun exposure. Next, I am using Vadi Herbal Strawberry Lip Balm and apply it all over my lips to hydrate my lips. So that's it. These are the all steps which I follow in my morning skincare routine. So this is my morning skincare routine. If you find my video helpful, then please like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this skincare routine, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.